spend their entire life building on YouTube or Instagram and they make none of the money on
Correct.
Instagram
Or
because
own any of it.
या सारा ऐड चला रहा है Instagram,
Yeah.
सब ऐड देख रहे हैं बट हमको कोई पैसा नहीं आ रहा ना.
But I think उसका जवाब कहीं ना कहीं हमारे बिजनेस से ही आएगा. वो इससे आएगा कि we'll have to create systems in which you actually start like making sure that everybody gets a piece of the pie. It can't be unilateral. I mean it's a utopian future, but I think that is the only way out, right? And they'll have to come up with the system of that.
Do people in Bombay talk about this at all? Is this like a concern or?
No, people talk about it. People definitely talk about it, but I feel like it depends on like different spaces that you occupy, right? In different rooms, a different kind of conversation is happening. I feel very strongly about this because I feel like we have to tackle it. We can't be blindsided into sort of just creating. But some people don't think about it because they're at a different place in life. And right now for them, it's all about making an impact or having enough number of followers, because followers also means casting, and casting therefore means more opportunity. And, so it's a vicious cycle, right? But the idea is to sort of zoom out and be like, okay, what are we actually doing eventually? Where is this funnel pipe really doing? And for me, it's really important, if you're creating an ecosystem, then the system has to feed itself. It has to like sort of grow itself. It cannot be that people are creating and they don't control either the IP or any kind of monetary benefit from it, or actually are able to do anything with it. It can't just be like a one-way kind of a street.
क्योंकि जब मैं LA था last, I remember मेरे सारे those friends are all directors and writers and editors. LA में gloom था. Like at least that class of people who are in the business of movie making, extremely unhappy, extremely very scared. To an extent where I was like, भाई ऐसा नहीं हो जाएगा, like थोड़ा सा तू थोड़ा डूमी हो रहा है. Those guys out there are very scared. So I was just wondering if that is the mood in Bombay.
No, it's a fair this thing. I think technology is changing very, very fast as we speak. In the next 6 months, you don't know what's going to happen. Like it's really moving very fast. I just feel like where I am, I would like to be updated just so that I know I'm on the right side of things as an artist. Like I should know my rights. I should know what I should be careful about. I should know what is the technology I can use to benefit me. You can't be like, mujhe pasand nahi, I want to stay away from it. Like I don't want to have that mentality. I want to engage with it because I want to be like, okay, what are the possibilities?
Right.
And hey, can we ethically use it? It can't be like, mujhe bhai janna hi nahi hai, mujhe mat batao. It's like, to give you an example, like, when like now touchscreen phones are there, but some of our parents are still like, they're very clumsy with it because they weren't the first earlier adopters to it.
They didn't grow up with it.
They didn't grow up with it. So I'm just like, can we educate ourselves to be like, okay, I'm going to take out an hour of my time every day and try and understand this. I don't know it all yet, but I'm willing to put in an hour of my life every day and trying to educate myself.
I have another question.
Really, I would be very surprised you're going to ask me another question.
It's along the same lines, and it's kind of tricky also to answer because you see this happening. This is not digital technology. This is